SVG's Jason Dahcman here. We're back with more SVG Sports Tech On Demand, bringing you the latest technological innovations this spring season for the media and entertainment sector. I'm here with Peter Flood, CEO at AIDA Content Management. Peter, thanks for joining us. Where are you at today?
Actually, I'm in New Jersey, Paramus, New Jersey, stuck here. I guess I'm in the big tri-state hotspot. So
Yeah, I'm in New York City, so
working to
we're
stay safe and working remotely.
great. Well, glad to hear it. Stay safe. Want to ask you for AIDA, what are some of the new products and services that you guys have been working on? Obviously, you have a content management platform that's sort of the hub of everything. But tell me about the platform a little bit, the features, and any new enhancements that you guys are debuting.
Sure, I'd love to. First of all, AIDA Content Management, we have a full suite of services and products and solutions, pretty much for any situation in the content management industry. As we like to say, we do media asset management, we do metadata, we do data management, and also AI and machine learning, and we sell into 12 industries, depending on our time and our effort
Right.
on that basis. I like to tell people that, we're in the content management industry, and the content management industry covers all industries that deal with digital assets. So all of that's an opportunity for us. One of our main, I'll call it solutions, is our SaaS solution. We call it the Video Meta Hub. It's really two things. It's first a smart media asset management system with all the features and functionalities of a media asset management system, but it also applies innovative metadata. Our term for the innovative metadata is in-frame, time-based, descriptive metadata. What does that mean? That means you can put a meta tag down to an object in a frame. You can really say anything you want about that frame, or you can just do, an object in the frame.
Right.
And then you can also do it to a frame. We call it a quick tag. So you can have information in the frame. But what that does is, based on the taxonomy and ontology and your process of applying specific metadata, it creates an ability to optimize search, retrieval, discovery, marketability, whatever the need or the requirement is, because you can put any term or taxonomy you want, but it brings you right to the frame or the object in the frame. As I said, it's a smart media asset management solution. But the more important thing, and in terms of what's new and innovative, we've had an auto tagging capability within the Video Meta Hub for over a year. What we're doing now is developing it further based on the trends of auto tagging and what other companies are offering. So we have a UI. I think we have the only UI that allows someone to take a video, auto tag it, produce those tags in a very user-friendly way, and then cleanse them or enrich them. What does that mean? I may run a minute video. It'll produce maybe 15 tags. The current service we use, we have an 80% confidence level. I can quickly go through those tags. If it's not relevant, I delete it. If it's relevant, I leave it. And if it's relevant but can be enhanced, I can edit it and enhance it very quickly. So the combination time of running the auto tags and that quick review makes it almost a near automated process as it relates to AI and auto tagging. We are, for sports specifically, that capability and the SaaS solution itself, it fits into a number of points in a sports broadcasting workflow,
Right.
Which can be very complicated. I've had discussions with a number of companies as it relates to their workflows in terms of different sports, and even with NBC on the Olympics to a certain extent. But there's always different needs for, let me say it this way. There's always different requirements for metadata for a specific purpose, depending on the digital asset and how it will, what's the end use on that basis.
Right.
So we're working with an AI company now to improve the ability to deliver higher relevant tags on an auto tagging basis, and then in turn enhance those. The importance of the enhancement is you can create data sets that go back into the machine learning model and improve the recognition going forward on that. So that's something we feel is exciting. One of the things as it relates to AI, and originally about 2 years ago, I was a contrarian when all the companies were saying it's a black box, just put your digital asset in.
Right. Right.
I was a contrarian there, but I think at this point for the next 3 to 5 years, there's going to be there is a need for something called what I call the human factor. What does that mean? That means at some point in that process to produce auto tags, someone has to make decisions on what's delivered, their relevance, usually in the back end on a QA basis, or enhancing them, which we do, which is important. There's a strong drive for lower cost and produce stuff rapidly, but both of those, what I'll call capabilities and benefits we bring, I think improve, let's say improve the relevance and the quality versus the cost.
Right.
Facilitating a good cost factor.
Yeah, which is what it all comes down to in the end, is making sure that that you make budget. Well, Peter, I appreciate you giving us an overview of the platform as well as some updates. Obviously, the sports world is changing dramatically, and everybody's trying to go into their archive and seek out the best possible content right now with no live sports going on. So this is more relevant than ever. But please stay safe. Hopefully your family and your entire team is doing well out there. And thanks for taking the time to join us.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Stay tuned to sportsvideo.org and the SVG YouTube channel for more editions of SVG Sports Tech On Demand.